Today we are installing a battery in a 2016 Nissan Rogue. And this is your first time visiting the channel. We'd like for all our new subscribers just to hit the like button, and we're adding great value today to show you exactly how to install this battery. Now, step one, you want to get your 10mm socket and take off that battery bracket that is holding down the center of the battery itself. Just turn it clockwise and you'll feel those screws come up from the battery bracket itself. Yeah, make sure you're going to grab those hooks. You don't want those hooks to fall down into the bottom of the engine itself. So you grab that, put your screws on that, so you make sure you know where your screws are at once you get ready to install that battery bracket back onto this battery. Now you want to use your 10mm wrench or socket and take off that ground post, which is also known as a negative. Just turn it clockwise and you'll feel that bolt loosen up. Proceed to your next step, is taking off the positive terminal. Turn it clockwise until you feel that positive terminal post loosen up as well, and you'll take that off as well. And Matt is the master installer today. He's a team leader. He's the manager here at Battery Guyz. You'll be able to lift that battery directly out of the car itself. So today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2016 Nissan Rogue. If you need a battery like this in the future, please visit our website at batteryguyz.com and pick you up a world's best reconditioned battery at half the cost of going to your national auto part dealer. So you want to go and connect your positive terminal back onto that positive post and use your 10mm socket or wrench and turn it clockwise and tighten up that bolt itself. So what you want to do is you want to take that hook like a J and hook underneath that battery box itself. You'll see the hole and you'll be able to get it going. And you'll take the other side and do the same exact thing. You take that hook and hook it underneath the battery box. You'll seal it and you'll feel it also too once it catches the groove. Just take your screws and screw them down with your fingers. Then take your 10mm socket with that long extension wrench and tighten up that right and left wrench on the battery bracket itself. Your next step is you want to go and connect your negative terminal back onto the negative post itself. Now the negative terminal is also known as the ground, so you want to make sure that this is kind of really tight, because if you have any play in this ground, the vehicle won't crank. So make sure you got that negative terminal tight, pretty tight, so don't have, you can't be able to move it anywhere. So you see Matt, team leader, manager, he's put a little extra squeeze on that to make sure that that ground was tight. That's coming from experience. So this is exactly how you install a battery in a 2016 Nissan Rogue.